Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about masking and rotoscoping. Okay, so I have imported this video. Let's create a composition of this video. So what I want to use a text behind this building. So the first thing we can do, one thing we can do is to, okay, so first of all, I want the text behind this building, but I only want animation till this point, till 12 seconds, so till 10 seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the layer, I'm going to press Ctrl Shift D, it is going to cut the layer and delete the second part, and I'm going to move this portion to this location. And now our composition is from 0 frame to 10 second. Okay, now let's create a mask. So in order to create a mask, we can use the pen tool, select your footage, go to initial position and create a mask like this. Okay, so we have created a mask. In order to pan like this, I am using the middle mouse button. So I have created a mask, and this is what our mask looks like. Let's duplicate our layer, and in the bottom layer, delete the mask. So we have our two layers. The first one has the mask only, and the second one is the complete footage. We can apply any effect to our layer like this. Now you can see only a small portion of the complete footage is in gray color. Okay, so let's say I want to animate this mask. So in order to animate the mask, go inside the mask and then click on mask path keyframe. And now with the slowly movement of your building, you can animate it like this. Okay, you can also increase the mask feather. Let's click here to disable the shapes, and now we can see the result properly. Click on increase the mask feather value to create smooth edges like this. Okay, let's set it to 0. So in this way you can animate your mask. The second way to create some masking and that kind of stuff is to use rotoscoping. So first of all, select your layer, click on this icon. Okay, go into footage. Okay, first of all, double click on your layer. It will open the layer portion of your video. Okay, now click on this button here, and then now you can do some rotoscoping. Press Ctrl on your keyboard to and move the mouse to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Okay, now create a pen like this so that it only covers your building or your object. Hold Alt on your keyboard to deselect a specific part like this. Okay, now increase the feather amount to 20, and now let's press spacebar on your keyboard so that it can create rotoscope from this animation. You can see it is creating rotoscoping out of all of the layers. Right now it is at 13th, 14th frame. so it might take some time. Okay, now you can see our rotoscoping result. Okay, let's go back to composition layer, create a new text, move it to the middle, and now we have created a text which is behind our building. So in this way you can use rotoscoping or masking to create this kind of animation. Increase the feather of the rotoscoping to get smooth edges. So go ahead and play with all of these settings. And that's it for this video.